Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.